Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Hey, it is Sister Sue, that's sister_SU, not FU. I'm here to share how you can easily do a transcript of a YouTube video. Okay, so first of all, you want to choose something that's short and only has one person talking. I recommend a sermon. And here I've pulled up a playlist on this YouTube channel, and by looking at the playlist, I can see which pieces are shorter than others. This is 4 minutes 1 second. We've got 1 minute 44. So these have some nice little short ones in here. And what you do, here's one on heaven and hell. So you click, that's 2 minutes 47 seconds, not very long. Click on that. It will bring this up. Now it will start to play. What you want to do is hit the pause to stop it. And then slide down a little bit. You can see these 3 dots here beside the save. Click on the 3 dots. And then click on Open Transcript. You'll need to slide up to see the transcript at the top. And here you see the transcript. And I don't know if you can see this very clearly here, but this is an auto-generated transcript, so it's not very accurate. It doesn't have capitals at the beginning of sentences and so on and so forth. What you're going to do is simply copy and paste. See, it says English auto-generated. So you're going to copy this. So I slide down to the bottom. I click here, and then I highlight it all, slide up to the top, and then I push Control C. I have it copied, and now all I have to do is paste this into either a Word document, or I can put it into a Google Doc, and then start editing it. So that's how you choose a short piece to start trying your hand at transcription. Hope this has been handy and useful for you. As I said, my name is Sue. You can find me on Twitter as sister_SU, not FU. Please subscribe, like, and share everywhere. Have a great day. Remember to pray, because things change that way. God bless.